You are building something real, a company, a product, a dream, maybe even a second chance, and from the outside it looks fine. You've launched, you've got users, some cash, a team, maybe even growth. But something still feels off. Under the surface there's friction, doubt, confusion, maybe even exhaustion. You are shipping, but you're stuck. Here's what nobody tells you. Projects don't stall because of bad ideas. They stall because of one skipped skill. A skill so simple it gets ignored. But without it, everything breaks. Startups, side hustles, even careers. So let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Bonnie Morlock, startup coach, two-time Global Coach of the Year, ex-founder, ex-burnout CEO, and I coach people who want to grow without losing their minds, teams, or relationships. And today's episode might save whatever you are building. We'll unpack what this one skill actually is, how most people fake it, the 3 traps that sabotage it, and the dead simple system that actually works. Let's get into it. Act 1, where things go quiet. This is where it usually starts. You've got a few early wins, your idea makes sense, but the numbers stop climbing. The team's tired, you are tired. You keep tweaking your roadmap, or your messaging, or your funnel, but it's not landing. You feel like you're guessing, because you are. And the worst part? You probably think you've already fixed it, that you've got feedback, validation, signals. But what if you're wrong? What if the thing you're trusting is a lie? Let's break this open. Act 2. The 3 traps that keep you blind. Here's what I see over and over again. Small people building great stuff and stall out because they fall in one of these 3 traps. The echo chamber. You ask your mates, your team, your investors, and they all say, looks great, love it, excited to try it. It's just enough to feel legit, but never enough to actually learn. Trap 2, the feedback filter. You only listen to the bits you want to hear. The rest, you justify, you spin, you explain why. And trap 3, the idea love affair. You're in love with your clever idea. I know that one. So you treat every signal as confirmation, not correction. That doesn't make you arrogant, it makes you human, but it will bleed you dry. Act 3, the skill almost everyone misses. Here it is. The real skill isn't feedback, it's extraction. It's knowing how to pull the truth out of the noise and act on it before the wheels come off. It's not some founder superpower, it's practice. Here's the loop that I give my clients. Talk to 5 people who match your ideal real user. Ask one question, what almost made you quit? And then just listen. Don't sell, don't argue. Just write it down. Fix that thing. And then repeat. This is your lifeline. And most people never build it. They mistake compliments for contracts. They treat startup vibes like data. They trust that excited means committed, and that's how companies die quietly while everyone's clapping. Act 4. You might still be pretending. Still not sure this applies to you? Here's the test. When was the last time you made a real change to your roadmap, pricing, messaging, or your model based on something a user told you? Not something you guessed, not something you saw on LinkedIn. Actual truth from an actual person you serve. If it's more than 2 weeks, you're not iterating, you're decorating. And yeah, this might sting, but that makes it real. Did you ever ignore clear feedback and paid the price? Drop that below. Let's be honest, you're not alone. Let me know in the comment if this landed, because I'm writing my next book, Unstuck Your Startup Life. And this video is 1 chapter. The book is the full playbook. So I'd like your feedback and see if I'm on the right track with the things that interest you. If you are building something real, subscribe. No hustle porn, no growth hacks, just founder truth every week. And next up, how to know if your traction isn't total bullshit. See you then.